Biofloc production in tilapia. Let's begin talking about aquaculture. Aquaculture is farming of fish. The costliest factors of aquaculture are high quality feeds, filtration systems for water, investment needed for ample amount of space to grow target species. As we progress, we try to improve and profit more from less. Farmers and researchers are looking for alternative ways to produce more seafood while using fewer resources. Then comes in Biofloc. Originally was a natural way to clean water. Biofloc systems are becoming increasingly popular as low-cost means of cleaning water in a fish pond, along with providing additional source of feed. Biofloc requires little investment, sunlight or no sunlight depending on the type of biofloc you are using, carbohydrate source, and plenty of aeration. Biofloc system converts uneaten feeds, feces, and excess nutrients into food, while also breaking down toxic ammonia and nitrates, both primarily producing autotrophic and heterotrophic bacteria. In a biofloc system, the bacteria can be seen loosely bound by bacterial mucus. Most of these floating clumps or flocks are microscopic. Large aggregations can be seen by human eye resembling brown or green sludges. In a traditional farm, 25% protein content of feed are actually utilized by farm species. By converting ammonia into microbial proteins that can be consumed by filter feeders, Biofloc system doubles this figure, saving farmers money and improving profits. Concerning Biofloc, there are still many unknowns and much remains to be discovered. Now let's discuss 5 steps to Biofloc. Step 1. Build a tank setup. Step 2. Design and put in place an aeration system. Step 3. Grow the Biofloc. Step 4. Monitor and control the system. Step 5. Harvest your Biofloc.